Dr. KevinObeng-Marnu, MD. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. KevinObeng-Marnu, a practicing neurosurgeon.
Billions of stories told by others. See my man Bobby, he seemed happy, all soaked in love. But Tiffany D.Y.P.T. this ain't the end of the world. How long you gonna suck your pillow with tears, baby? Going crazy for a man, acting shady, many ladies lately. He's been dating one of them, Stacy. Well, your best friend, as you call it, I know, but stay strong, hold on, and don't lose hope. Really, frankly, brother, cope with the situation, beauty. Hear me? Yesterday night in this rain, the freezing fright weather. I stood by your door all night long till dawn, with bunches of roses waiting on the door. You could feel my love deep inside, girl. As I cry, I can never dishonor this caution, please. I see your wishes were horses. I will ride you, my queen, to the deepest blue sea. Hold you in my arms and wipe your tears. Satisfaction for me, G to live it. Come on, you're the one that I love. I can never hurt you, baby girl. Hold my hand, let's ride.
Hello family, this is Dr. KevinObeng-Marnu, MD. Y'all welcome to my channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And God bless. Thank you.